Hello everyone, today I'd like to show you EAS application. Today I'd like to highly recommend our new design EAS AM Pencil tag. Now I will show its application. At first, put the pin on the tag, and then it couldn't pull out. Now we use EAS detacher to remove the pin from the tag. Then, when you come across the system will launch alarm. This kind of tag widely used for AM system testing, and we could customize the size or the color based on your requirement. If you want to know more details, feel free to contact with me. See you next time.